Hey, what's up everybody? How are you guys doing today? If you're new here, my name's Tobias and welcome to another Microphone Monday where I upload new microphone reviews and comparison videos every Monday. And in today's video, I'm doing a review of the VeGue VWGO. And the audio that you're actually hearing right now and the audio which you will be hearing throughout this video will be coming from the VWGO. Right now I have it clipped right here onto the collar of my shirt, and this mic system goes for $69.99 on Amazon, comes with free shipping, and I'll go ahead and put this Amazon link down in the description below in case you would like to check that out for yourself. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a quick unboxing, then I'm going to talk a little bit about this mic system. I'll do some testing, and in the end I'll give you guys my final thoughts and review of this wireless microphone system. And if you do like this video, or if it helps you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. And let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. So as you can see here, this mic system comes with one transmitter, one receiver, one lav mic, one windscreen, one USB-A to double USB-C charging cable, two 3.5mm cables, one TRS to TRS cable, which is meant to be used with a camera, and one TRS to TRRS cable, which is meant to be used with a smartphone. And of course, if you are using it with an iPhone, you will also need a dongle, which is not included, but I will put a link to one down in the description below as well. And I think Apple sells these for around $7 on Amazon, so yeah, I'll go ahead and have the link for that down in the description below as well. And this wireless mic system is supposed to have a range of 230 feet, which is super far in my opinion. And it should take 1.5 hours to charge the batteries completely. And this mic system should work for 4 hours on a single charge. The receiver and the transmitter both have power buttons, and when you turn both of them on, they link automatically. The transmitter also has a built-in mic, which is actually the mic that I'm using right now. Or if you would prefer to use the lav mic, you can plug that into the transmitter and use that instead. And by the way, the windscreen that is included is designed to be used with the built-in mic, not the lav mic. The receiver also has a plus button and a minus button, and these are used to control your input volume. So I think that's just about everything we need to know about this mic system. Let's go ahead and test it out in a few different ways. The first thing I want to do is I want to just unclip this from my shirt and move it around and kind of treat it as a handheld mic and see if the audio changes at all. I'm also keeping an eye on my camera's screen just to make sure that my audio levels are not clipping. And right now I have the mic about a foot away from my face. Right now I'm whispering right into the microphone. And I'm just going to move it from side to side and see how it changes. And now I'll go ahead and move it to the bottom and move it up to the top of my head. And this is how the audio changes. Next, let's try the lav mic. Right now I have the lav mic clipped onto my shirt and I'm standing roughly 14 to 15 feet away from the camera, and this is how it sounds. Let me know how you guys think this microphone sounds compared to the built-in mic on the transmitter that I was using just a minute ago. And right now I'm recording this video with my iPhone XR and I have the receiver plugged into my iPhone, and I'm standing roughly 25 feet away from my iPhone and I'm recording using the lav mic. And right now I'm recording using the built-in mic on the transmitter, and I'm holding it like a handheld mic. And right now I'm recording using the built-in mic on the transmitter, and I have the transmitter clipped onto my shirt. Okay guys, so now it's time for my final thoughts and review. I just went back and listened to all the audio that I just recorded, and I feel like the overall audio from this mic system actually sounded a bit distorted. And it almost sounded as if there was some clipping occurring in the microphone itself, because the volume levels on my camera are actually good. There was also a bit of a noticeable noise floor. I actually think that the built-in mic, which is the mic that I'm using right now, sounded a lot better than the lav mic. I feel like the lav mic sounded a bit muffled. And I think if they're able to fix all of these problems, I think that this would actually be a great product. But as it is right now, I'm afraid that I can't give it my stamp of approval. I feel like if you are trying to get high quality audio, this just wouldn't be able to do the job for you. But anyways guys, I would love to hear what you guys think down in the comments below, and I will have the link to this mic system down in the description below in case you would like to check that out for yourself. And if you did like this video, or if it helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.